Good morning, afternoon, or evening, or after morning. I'm the Mainly Digger, and I have some awesome news today. I was sent two different sets of knives. Sent me a set of throwing knives. Well, they sent me two sets of throwing knives from Dispatch Knives to test, use, and abuse, which I'm going to do. Here's my video. I'm going to go throw some knives. So actually, I'm going to do the unboxing and review. And then I'm going to throw them because that's what they're made for. Mainly dig out. Of course, unbox and, just check them out in general because that's what I do. That's what I like doing. So that's what I'm going to be doing. These two sets of knives, one is, it's just Dispatch. It says Dispatch on it, and they're made in China. The other one is from Dispatch too, but it's a different kind of set. This is a 3-piece set. Kind of cool, really. It's their combat throwing knife. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait. I'm excited. I've never bought new throwing knives. I always got them off eBay. Oh, look at this case. So, cardboard box, black case, canvas case. Turn it over. The box comes with information, a little bit of information, a little pamphlet about maintenance and cleaning and whatever else. Usually I just get my knives from eBay, and they don't come in, some of them come in casings, but. Ooh. So, like it. It's a company, Dispatches, the knives are made in China, or manufactured in China. The blades are sharp. It's the same weight as my other blades. When I pulled it out, the blade protector came off of it. I like how they put something on the tip, so it not only protects the blade and the tip, but it also protects anyone, the user or whoever's pulling it out. That is pretty cool. I do like the case too. If you haven't noticed, there's 3 slots in each place, so that's 4 times, it's 12. So they give you 12 knives with this pack. There's so much. 12, too much. Just to look at the blade or the edge, the blade's edge. I'm not seeing any nicks. And I've gone through all of them, so I haven't seen any nicks. I hope there's no nicks. This is a new set. So if there was, I'd be worried. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use and abuse these. Hard black. Yes, sir. Let's see how this goes. Comes right out. Setting this case over here. It's pretty. Once again, a pamphlet explaining maintenance and cleaning for Dispatch knives. Pretty cool. 3-case carrier. Yes, sir. Open this up. Let's see how this goes. And take off the plastic. Like I said, I like how they have the point protector, blade protector on there. It's always good. It's not too heavy. And it has this, it's almost like 550 cord, but it's not. And the blade, this side, not sharp. Take off the point. Blade is just sharp enough. Looks like it has some gunk on there. I don't know. Probably to keep the... Oh, no gunk on this one. Oh, yes, sir. There we go. And like I said, throwing blades should not be sharp. Should not really have an edge. I mean, they can have an edge, but they should have a sharp point, though, because you're pointing, you're throwing it. And I'm not seeing any nicks or dents or bends. I would hope not on these blades. These are new. We'll see how they hold up. It's game on. Time to play game. Hell yeah. So starting off with my first victim, I only picked one. You can see the dirt is still on the blade, not the edge, but the blade. But I'm trying to look at the blade and the edge, and I'm not seeing any damage, nothing. Looking at the point, it's not bent. The Perfect Point knives that I use, they always bend. I mean, I understood that when I bought them. So we're gonna check out another one. Yeah, the Perfect Point, I love them because they're cheap and durable, kind of durable, but like I would need to, you can see I put some work in on it. I would need to have take care of the blade, maintain the blade, which is, so now these bad boys. And these took me, there's only 3 of them, but it took me a while to like actually learn how to throw these or get it down. I learned, I got it. I'm not really concerned about the edge, but I'm concerned about the point. And that was on the blade before, so it's not a ding or anything. Still sharp. Let's take a look at another one. Yeah, no damage to the point, which is awesome. Good times.